पद पंकज सेवत सुत ही सम्मानि निरादर आदर ही सब संत सुखी विचरन्ति महि मुनि मानस पंकज पिंक भजे रघुबीर महारंधीर अजय तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोग पहाकदमान हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनम प्रणमामि निरंतर श्रीरमणम रघुनंदन निकंदय द्वंदतनम महिपाल विलोकय दीन जनम।
Hanuman, a central figure in Hindu mythology, is renowned for his incredible strength, boundless devotion, and selfless service. Born to Anjana and Kesari, with the divine blessing of Lord Shiva, he was gifted with extraordinary abilities even as a child. His fearlessness and immense power were apparent from a young age, notably when he attempted to swallow the sun, mistaking it for a fruit. Hanuman's life became intrinsically linked to Lord Rama, as he became his most loyal and dedicated devotee. In the epic Ramayana, Hanuman's unwavering devotion to Rama is portrayed through his heroic acts, which established him as one of the greatest mythological figures. When Sita, Rama's wife, was abducted by the demon king Ravana and taken to Lanka, it was Hanuman who leapt across the ocean to find her. With unparalleled strength and courage, Hanuman entered Lanka, located Sita in Ravana's palace, and delivered Rama's message of hope to her. In his efforts to rescue her, Hanuman displayed immeasurable courage, burning parts of Lanka with his fiery tail after Ravana's soldiers captured him. One of the most legendary feats of Hanuman's life was when he flew to the Himalayas to bring the life-saving Sanjeevani herb to cure Lakshmana, who was gravely injured in battle. Hanuman, unable to identify the exact herb, lifted the entire mountain and brought it back to save Lakshmana's life. Despite these heroic feats, Hanuman remained humble and devoted, never seeking glory for himself, but always crediting Lord Rama for all his successes. His dedication to Lord Rama was so complete that even in the face of great challenges, Hanuman remained focused on his duty. Hanuman's life is a timeless lesson in humility, strength, and devotion. He is celebrated worldwide for his boundless courage and strength, with millions of devotees reciting the Hanuman Chalisa to seek his protection and blessings. Hanuman is not just a warrior, but a guide for spiritual strength, teaching us that through devotion, faith, and selflessness, we can overcome any obstacle. His story is an enduring reminder of how one can achieve greatness not through ego or power, but through humility, service, and love for a higher purpose. The lessons of Hanuman continue to inspire people across the world, making him a revered figure and a timeless symbol of resilience, protection, and devotion.
पद पंकज सेवत सुत ही सम्मानि निरादर आदर ही सब संत सुखी विचरन्ति महि मुनि मानस पंकज पिंक भजे रघुबीर महारंधीर अजय तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोग पहाकदमान हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनम प्रणमामि निरंतर श्रीरमणम रघुनंदन निकंदय द्वंदतनम महिपाल विलोकय दीन जनम। पद पंकज सेवत सुत ही सम्मानि निरादर आदर ही सब संत सुखी विचरन्ति महि मुनि मानस पंकज पिंक भजे रघुबीर महारंधीर अजय तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोग पहाकदमान हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनम प्रणमामि निरंतर श्रीरमणम रघुनंदन निकंदय द्वंदतनम महिपाल विलोकय दीन जनम। पद पंकज पंकज सेवत सुत ही सम्मानि निरादर आदर ही सब संत सुखी विचरन्ति महि मुनि मानस पंकज भृंग भजे रघुबीर महारंधीर अजय दो नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोग पहाकदमान हरि शील कृपा परमायतनम प्रणमामि निरंतर श्रीरमणम रघुनंदन निकंदय द्वंदतनम महि बाल विलोकय दीन जनम पंकज भृंग भजे रघुबीर महारंधीर अजय दो नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोग पहाकदमान हरि शील कृपा परमायतनम प्रणमामि निरंतर श्रीरमणम रघुनंदन निकंदय द्वंदतनम महि बाल विलोकय दीन जनम